Today we're going to be building a smart casual outfit for a cruise to Alaska in the evenings. Thank you very much, Glenn, for leaving this comment. So I'm going to go super simple with this look today, and at the end I'm going to give you the option, Glenn, to be very versatile. There's going to be quite a few options that you can go for, but I'm going to build the base of a super simple smart casual outfit. So first of all, I'm going to go with the standard black trousers from a brand called Father Sons. But as we're going for a casual look, we're not looking to be too smart with this outfit. I'm going to go for some trousers that have an adjustable waistband. So these trousers fit really nicely, and if you can see, there is an adjustable waistband, which means you can't actually wear a belt with these trousers, which is perfect for this look that we're building because we're not looking to be super smart. So yeah, these are the trousers that I've chosen. So next we're going to be going for this black mock neck t-shirt. Again, super simple. It looks quite smart, but also has that kind of casual edge to it. Higher than a crew neck t-shirt. It looks a little bit smarter, but it's not too over the top like a turtleneck would be. It's meeting somewhere in the middle, so it gives that kind of element of smartness while still maintaining a casual vibe. And again, the reason for these trousers, I am going to be tucking the t-shirt in, but we're not looking to be very smart, so we don't really need to wear a belt, which is why these trousers with the adjustable waist buckle was absolutely perfect. Okay, so moving on to some footwear. I'm going to be going with these black loafers from a brand called Herring London. Now the reason I opted for a loafer is because, again, we're looking for a smart casual look here. We don't need to wear an Oxford shoe or a brogue. We're not wearing a full suit. We're not wearing a shirt. We're going for something that has that element of smartness but still maintains a nice casual vibe. So the loafers were a perfect choice for this particular outfit. So as you can see, they do look lovely. They don't look too overpowering. They look quite smart. They look quite casual. They just go very nicely with this look. They actually go with quite a lot of looks, but you can't really beat an all black fit. So Glenn did mention that this is going to be a cruise in the evening, so of course there is cause for a jacket. But what I've done with this outfit is I've built a base that can stem into any real type of jacket that you want. You could wear an overcoat, you could go for a blazer, which is what I'm going to do, but it actually gives you the ability to pretty much pick and choose whatever color blazer you decide. I've opted for some lighter options simply because it's going to give you that contrast with your outfit, and it's really going to make it pop from a standard all black fit to a nice smart casual look. So as you can see, we've got the light grey here, which I personally think works really well. Or again, another really lighter tone, a cream kind of beige look. This is just my preference. You could pick a black jacket, a cream jacket, blue. Most colours are going to work on this base of this outfit, so you can really just play around with it and decide what you think works the best for you. So yeah, here you go, a smart casual outfit for a cruise to Alaska in the evenings. Guys and girls, if you have made it this far in this video, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and do drop a comment down below. I really enjoy making these type of videos, and it gives me an idea of content that I can create that's going to be useful for the people watching it. So yeah, thanks again. Hopefully I'll see you on the next video.